What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be unboxing my first mermaid tail ever. It's the Finfolk production golden Giza tail. I'm super excited. Oh, and I'm gonna do a voiceover this time instead of my usual, talking to the camera style of videos. Oh my god. What? This is the instructions on safety and how to take care of your tail, all that good stuff. Very important. It has a little bit of bubble wrap around it, and here is the actual tail. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, it is heavy. And it feels really thick here. So here is sealed. Here is sealed. Wait, it's sealed everywhere. I thought it's supposed to have a drainage somewhere. There's an opening right here. The drain holes. I actually wanted to show this to you a little bit closer. There's several of them. There's actually 6 total, 3 on each side. And they're at the end of the tail, right near those little edges of it, one on each edge. This is how you get the water out of your tail when you're swimming. So that's very useful to have. Or so I heard, because I've never actually swam in a mermaid tail before. Look at this detail. It is so pretty. Oh my god, it's heavy. The bottom part of it is heavy. This is how the rest of it looks. Here's the top of the tail, and it has this stretchy bit up here, and I got it in medium, which, by the way, let me tell you, it's not my size, but we'll get to that later. The inside is white, surprisingly, because I saw a different review of Finfolk's tail, very similar looking tail, and I think their tail was black on the inside, so they made some changes since then. I love the transition between colors. It just looks so beautiful, and I like how the quality of the print is so nice, especially at the bottom. I love the entire tail, but the bottom is my favorite part because it's just so pretty, and I think that the bottom looks actually very, very realistic. Like the print on it, it's super realistic. This is pretty amazing. Just the detail. Oh, and here's the stitching. They just did such a good job matching the stitching to the fabric. I feel like the thread just changes color depending on where it is on the tail. Like you see here, it's light green or something, and it just matches perfectly. This zipper is completely unnoticeable. Like, look at it. Can you actually see it? And this is a pretty close shot, right? So here you go. I unzipped it, and you can see the white inside, and that clear thing that you see inside is the Monofin Casing. It's basically 2 sheets of clear vinyl. I think it's vinyl. And then you open them like this, and you put your monofin right in between those sheets. So usually the way it works is the longer piece is actually in the back, and the shorter piece is in the front. Okay, so here is the look of the entire tail. I just laid it out on my bed, and I just wanted you guys to see how it actually looks just by itself. I mean, I'm just, honestly, I was so happy with this purchase. And guess what? I actually got one of the last ones. I didn't think they were gonna have this anymore. And then I just went on their website and I saw that they had it in medium. And that's kind of odd because that was the only size that they had at the time. And I thought that my size is medium. But it turns out medium is a little bit too big for me. This is me when I tried my tail on for the first time. I tried it on without the monofin because I didn't have it yet, but you can see how much bulk I have around the hips and waist area. And it's interesting because I still had a difficult time putting it on. Well, probably because I didn't really know how to put it on correctly. This is where my hips are, by the way, right here where I'm showing you guys. Definitely there is a bunch of bulk, but the good news is I'm still able to swim in it, even though it's a little bit too big. This video is from another day, and that's the day when I finally received my monofin, which took some time for some reason. I ordered the foil off Amazon and I got it in size small. The one thing about the foil is it's not adjustable, so you gotta get the correct size. I believe the size small fits sizes from like 7 to 9 or something like that. It fits me very comfortably. Like, it's tight but it doesn't hurt anywhere. It's actually soft. Like, the entire thing is, I guess, rubber or silicone or something. I don't really know what it's made of, but it's soft and comfortable, so I like that a lot. So this is on their approved list of the monofins that fit their tail, so it fits no problem, which is great. I just wanted to put on top of the tail just to show you guys how it looks. You can see it only comes down to about halfway. Here's how you put it in, and I'm trying to do this with one hand, but you basically separate the two vinyls and you put it right inside, and then you zip it up. You're gonna need to unzip it when you're actually putting on your tail, because that is much easier. And this is how it looks. You can't really even tell that there's anything in it, right? And this is about where it ends when it's in the tail. So let's go swimming. So what do you think? Is it a little too big? I think it is, but it was still so hard to put on. Oh yeah, it started raining. Can you believe it? And I didn't even care because I just wanted to go and try it.
Are you jumping in the water?
Yeah. And this fluke is really heavy. Like, there's air in it. First, when you get in the water, there's gonna be tons of air in your mermaid tail. And you can see that the edges of the fluke are actually floating up because they're holding air. Like something to get used to. And right now there's some air stuck on the bottom.
You should just jump in first.
Oh my god. Girl, what are you doing right now?
You have to use the whole body.
As long as it's not hailing, I can keep going. Because the water is really warm.
I literally can't swim, by the way. This whole video is just gonna be me swimming in a very ridiculous way.
Yeah, it's really warm.
Look at this. What am I doing? Up, and then it really started raining. I mean, like, pouring. I have so I feel super awkward, but at the same time, it was super fun. Like, this was so fun. Look, what am I doing with my hands? Like, I literally don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so here's the guy that was helping me record this. He's actually showing me how to swim like a mermaid properly. I think it's called a dolphin kick, what he's doing. And I'm getting distracted by my tail. It's so pretty though, how can you not? Okay, he's back. Look at this tail though. It is insane. Here's a little bit of how it looks underwater and the detail. Oh, that detail. You see how there's a little fold? I think that's just because I'm wearing a wrong size. But the good thing is that I was still able to swim in it, as you can tell. Oh, my mermaid style swimming is getting better here, I think. Yeah, I think it's a little better.
We should swim in the rain more often.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your. Defeated by the dreams and the memories we've made.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was like helpful for you guys if you're thinking about buying a tail, or maybe you already have one. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more, as that would be awesome. And I will see you in my next video. As always.
Wow, the
Oh, look at the water.
You want to go in the water?
Yeah, we did not do that. It was enough swimming for one day. Bye guys.